Hello guys, Ankush here and welcome to my channel Fight Alive. This is a video of what is in my fight bag. This bag is very dear to me because I bought it from my first salary. The main motive of me buying this bag is it has a lot of space in it. So once I leave in the morning, I come back at night. So I have to take my training stuff, my clothes, my supplementation all in one go. This is the Twins Bag 5. But I checked, there is no 1, 2, 3, 4 before this. Another thing what I use this bag for is traveling. Basically when we have a lot of fights, we have to travel. So because of that, I have to cram in all my clothes, my travel gear, my cameras and all my fight gear in it. So it fits it all inside. Now let's begin straight into what's in this bag. Let me put this bag over to my side and crack it open. These are the Intex Jobber-B Bluetooth headphones, the cheapest one I've seen in the market. These go for about $950. And the best thing which I love about these headphones are you can put in a micro SD card in this and then you don't have to carry your phone when you're running. That's the only thing what I hate about jogging, that you have to put in your phones in your pocket and then it keeps dangling around. I can't do that thing. So I love these headphones, the cheapest one and then the best bass you can get for $1,000. Let me put this aside and then let's dig in. These are my Fairtex laced up gloves. I've used Velcro gloves too, but I don't like it more because since my hand is really small, I have to tape up too much of it, so I like the laced ups more. It costed me around 5,000 Indian rupees. I got it from a friend who was traveling to Bangkok. Performed really well till date. I'll make a separate review video of this glove. The next thing what's in my fight bag is my water bottle. This is the 1.5 liter water bottle which I carry every day. So it's been about 8 months since I bought this bottle and it went for about $350. Really cheap, and then it's a very sturdy bottle. So the next thing what I have in my bag is my shin pads. There are really costly shin pads in the market which go about 6,000, 7,000 Indian rupees. I got this for $1,500, which is the cheapest one available and the best one I've ever used till now. So I bought these from Decathlon, performed really well till date. The Velcro ones, the feet part performed really well, no complaints at all with these. I also have a pair of ankle supporters, so when I'm fighting I need these ankle supporters for my fights. So these are my Everlast 180 inches hand wraps. We get the 108 inches too, but I don't get enough length to wrap it around properly. These wrist wraps went for around $390 or $400. It's quite cheap. You can purchase them from Amazon. My groin guard. Anybody who trains martial arts knows the importance of this. Next, I've got these tapes. These are those fabric tapes which you get. So when you keep kicking your back continuously or when you're training every day, the under of your feet, the skin wears out. So you can wrap this around your legs so that you can train every day without much pain. These are Naman Munmai oils. Before your fight, you actually oil up your body and then it starts heating up your body before your warm-ups. So it basically helps you with the warm-up too. And then I've got these wrist supporters too. So these are from Dynos, and then I also have a deodorant which is from Adidas. And then this is really good, you have to try it. These are the Everlast mouth guards. They are the double-sided ones and they give better protection when compared to the single-sided mouth guards. I've also got a pair of kneecaps. These are from Tarmax and then you get it in Decathlon too. The top pocket over here has this very soft cloth lining inside. I keep my phone and my wallet in this. Along with these, I carry a plastic bag to put in my sweaty workout clothes in it. I also carry a fresh pair of clothes to wear after my workouts. Along with these, I carry a book and a pen to write in techniques, areas of improvement, and also my goals for the day. Yes guys, these are all the things I carry in my fight bag. It becomes really heavy, but because of this bag it makes it very comfortable. Okay guys, this was a quick view of what's in my fight bag. If you like that video, press that like button and also the subscribe button and that small bell icon which is right next to it. Thank you.